The another most important characteristics of living things, the obtain and use material and energy. All we know that the all living organism must obtain and use energy to live. All these living things characteristics, the movement, respiration, sensitivity, nutrition, excretion, reproduction, all these characteristics use energy. The living organism must take in energy via food, nutrients or sunlight in order to carry out cellular process. The transport, synthesis and breakdown of nutrients and molecules in a cell required the use of energy, and this energy is linked back to the sun, or energy is the power to do things. These powers come in many ways and forms, but they can all be linked back to the sun. It is the source of all energy. The all living organism can either make its food or depend on other to make food for them. All use the energy. Autotrophs also use energy and heterotrophs also use energy. For example, the green plants produce their food from the process called photosynthesis, and they use the chloroplast in their cells to capture energy in sunlight. They combine it with water and carbon dioxide from the air to produce sugar and themselves. The green plants are therefore known as the producer or autotrophs. Bacteria can also make their food or break down foods. All these plants use energy. Other organisms eat green plants to obtain energy, and they are known as consumer or heterotrophs. Rabbits and sheep are example of consumers. The herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous are all consumers, and they all have to go and find food to give them energy. The process of obtain and using energy by living organism is best explained by three important scientific terms, named anabolism, catabolism and metabolism. Metabolism is the chemical reaction in the body cells that change food into energy. म्हणजे ही मेटाबॉलिझम जी प्रोसेस आहे, तर या प्रोसेसमध्ये पेशी किंवा जीवांमध्ये होणारे जे रासायनिक बदल्स आहेत, तर या प्रोसेसमधून सुद्धा या ठिकाणी एनर्जी ऑब्टेन होते किंवा युजिंग होते. आता या ठिकाणी मेटाबॉलिझम आहे, ही मेटाबॉलिझम प्रोसेस, या मेटाबॉलिझम प्रोसेसमध्ये की दोन क्रियाकलापांचा समावेश आहे. मेटाबॉलिझम प्रोसेस म्हणजे चयापचय क्रिया, ही एक संतुलित क्रिया आहे ज्यामध्ये एकाच वेळी दोन क्रियाकलापांचा समावेश आहे. एक आहे ॲनाबॉलिझम आणि दुसरी आहे कॅटाबॉलिझम. ॲनाबॉलिझम मीन्स बिल्डिंग अप and catabolism means breaking down. See here in this diagram, anabolism process. These simpler substances combine and they form the complex molecules using energy. And in catabolism process, the complex molecules break down into simpler molecules and energy is released. See one by one. The first, that is the anabolism process, is also known as the constructive anabolism. Is the building of complex molecules from numerous simple compounds or simple ones, things as a protein synthesis. म्हणजे या प्रक्रियेमध्ये, ॲनाबॉलिझम प्रक्रियेमध्ये अनेक साध्या रेणूमधून एक जटिल रेणू तयार होतो. एक्झाम्पल, बोन डेव्हलपमेंट and mineralization as well as the muscles mass again is also known as the constructive anabolism. Then second process, that is the catabolism, is destructive catabolism. When you digest food and the molecules break down the large complicated molecules into smaller ones in order to produce energy. Example of this catabolism, that is the process of glycolysis. प्रोटीन कॅटाबॉलिझम, कार्बोहायड्रेट कॅटाबॉलिझम, लिपिड कॅटाबॉलिझम म्हणजे शरीरातील गुंतागुंतीच्या पदार्थाचे एक रासायनिकरित्या साध्या पदार्थात रूपांतर होणे. Destructive catabolism. The process commonly occur in the digestive system, muscles and adipose tissue. And then the metabolism. This is the sum of all the chemical reaction, anabolism reaction as well as the catabolism reaction or catabolism activity, and that go on in the cell of living organism. It is a continuous process because the moment metabolism stop, the living organism will die. Thank you.